Olá, bom dia, bem-vindo ao nosso canal Quinta, Fonte da Pipa. Hello, good morning and welcome back to our channel Quinta, Fonte da Pipa. And today we are going to be going and collecting a bale of hay and getting a couple of little bits and bobs done, so we're going to bring you along for the drive. We have arrived at the feed place where we come to buy our bales of hay. I feel it's quite awkward filming in public for me, but this is the feed store and they sell absolutely everything. Pig feed, they have horse feed, they have rabbit food, dog food, pretty much every single form of agricultural item you will need. They sell plugs, cactuses, and we are getting a bale of hay today as we're here, which is a biological bale. So here are some of the cactuses, which is one of my favourite pieces. Yay. And the people who own this business are so sweet, and they help with everything you need. So I am going to go and pay for the bale of hay, and then I will film us loading the bale. And links for the store will be down in the description. I've just got to the goats to unload the hay, and the goats have escaped and destroyed the hay feeder because I've just caught them red-handed. They've got in, but they can't get out. Another day on the farm, animals escaping and getting trapped where they shouldn't. So for any of you wondering, this here is for bees and bugs to drink from, because I notice how hot every night we come up here when it's been a really hot day. There's lots of dead bugs, unfortunately, in their water butts. So I like to keep one for them where they can't drown, preferably. If you're wondering what that noise is Eddie, who is attached to the fence and is very peed off because he's stuck to the fence while Mum is doing hay. Oh, it's too much water. Stanley. Oh, and there be my egg. She's still warm. In the morning they're not friendly because they're more interested in food, so they will run away if they don't see me with my feed bucket. Little Miss Jealous. Eddie, no. 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 Down. Down. Eddie, sit. Sit. Good boy. See, he does sit on his own terms.